shout. I guess we can't complain because we'll just be the same. It makes me so sad, cause who can I blame? I stood there in silence. I really wanted to cry, but everybody knows you just can't let it show, because nobody wants to see tears on aisle 5. Now be strong, move your car along, get out the way for old people at the grocery store. They'll be buying their prune juice, but they always need more. They got me walking around, all scared and confused. You still need to get in, but they still haven't moved. Old people like to say things like slacks. They're taking hypochondria to the max. I guess we can't complain because we'll just be the same. Let's face it.